I just wanna be your morning light, and the sun come up with you by my side. I just wanna be your morning light.
Meet Giza. It's an intelligent pour-over coffee maker that delivers professional quality hand-brewed coffee. You can have it any time of day. Giza features a sophisticated spinning arm turntable design which delicately replicates the ideal hand-pour technique of top baristas. Plus, you can also choose recipes sourced from them. With Giza, you can set temperature, brew time, and others to your liking. Meanwhile, you can hone your barista skills or even share your own personal favorite recipes. Other than that, its exquisite candlelit heat source ensures the elegance of a vintage cafe. Now just sit back, relax, and enjoy how captivating home pour-over brewing can be.
This is Mosey, a simple, beautiful tea infuser designed to change where you brew and drink loose leaf tea. Brewing your own loose leaf tea at the office, school, or on your commute isn't exactly easy. It takes time, precision, effort, and requires enough tools to fill an entire kitchen drawer. With Mosey, you'll now be able to brew and drink the perfect cup of tea anywhere. Here's how it works. Simply fill the sieve with your favorite tea and secure to the lid. Next, add hot water, attach the lid, and flip upside down for the appropriate steeping time. Finally, flip it right side up and enjoy. Our drinking spout is inspired by ancient Chinese teacups. An homage to their tradition, we've created a multi-sensory design that encourages chemosensation. This means that you can both smell and taste your tea at the same time. By getting the complex aromas from your tea as you're drinking it, you experience the tea's purest flavors with every sip. The sieve is made of flexible, food-grade silicone that allows you to flip it inside out for quick and easy cleaning. With its convenient flip top, you'll never have to drop everything you're doing just to take a sip. And with the added loop handle, it's easy to carry or clip for added portability. Mosey is double-walled, so it's never too hot to carry, keeps the outside condensation free, and most importantly, it keeps your tea hot or cold for hours on end. The body is made of Triton, a material carefully chosen because of its clarity, durability, style, and safety. It has the look and feel of glass, can handle extreme temperatures, is dishwasher safe, shatter resistant, and free of all bisphenols like BPA. We've also added slip-free silicone grips to the top and bottom for extra sturdiness. Crafted with the highest quality and safety in mind, and purposely designed around your day, Mosey changes how and where you brew loose leaf tea. For over 2 years, we've been working with experts in industrial design, product engineering, supply chain, and manufacturing. And now, we need your help. Today, we have finalized our design, have prototypes in hand, and are ready to begin production with our manufacturer. Help us bring this project to life by sharing with your friends and family, and back us today.
It's been 5 years now since we released the Ratio 8. We are so proud to have created what is often described as the world's best coffee maker. Our team assembles each unit by hand here in Portland, Oregon. In thinking about the future, we asked ourselves, could we deliver the best of the 8, but smaller and at a lower price? We're thrilled to announce the Ratio 6. The 6 uses the same one-button, pour-over inspired automation that the 8 is known for. It's built from formed stainless steel. The 6 has a footprint that's more compact and a price point that's more attainable. Our standard is the world's best home coffee products, and we're happy to say the Ratio 6 lives up to that high bar. We believe you should be able to make cafe quality coffee in your home easily and without compromise. With Ratio, you can.